How's it going, everybody? This is break number 3 for Leather and Lumber Baseball. First thing we have to do is pick out the 2 boxes, for this break. We've done 1, 4, 5, and 10, I believe. So if we hit any of those numbers, we'll just re-roll it. I don't think we've done box 3, so box 3 and box 8. Both boxes available. Check out video for break number 1 if you want to see me number all the boxes or whatnot. Yeah, Cousins. I didn't even know he was getting time tonight. Looks like he's running quicksand. Yeah. It'll be interesting to see if any team pays him a good amount of money this year. I know he's a free agent. He might just sign another 1-year deal. Try to stay healthy. He's probably only played, what, like 20 or 30 games the last couple of years. So. Alright, good luck, everybody. Landon needs some Cubs. Ooh. I don't think we've seen any yet, so maybe we're due for this one. I kind of like how they put 2 different players in the mini boxes. You got Ohtani and then Judge on some. Alright, good luck. Break number 3, break number 4 coming up next, then break 5 right after that. Dan needs some Braves and Jays in this one. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we can get only 16 hits, so can't get everybody a hit, but hopefully there's some nice spread out hits around this one. And if you don't, you get some of these cool base cards, nice die cuts. If you don't get any cards, of course, we ship a pack. There's Hoskins, Altuve. There's numbered 74 of 99, Encarnacion, Lumberjacks die cut for the Mariners. Meadows, Molina, Castellanos, and Rhys Hoskins. We have for the Expos, a.k.a. the Washington Nationals, that's Vladimir Guerrero, 47 of 75. That's senior. That is Todd H. with the Nationals. Gets the Expos cards as well. I always say it's a good thing to get the Expos, to get the Nationals in some of these old-time breaks, because there's a lot of Expos like... why can't I think of any? But Gary Carter, I guess. Tim Raines, right? Guerrero. Next hit, Blue Jays. There you go, Dan. 75 of 175, Jonathan Davis. It's got to be like the 6th or 7th Blue Jays autograph in this case so far. For Dan. Nice. I just need a Vlad Guerrero Jr., right? Alright, we got Gil Hodges, Babe Ruth, Yogi Berra, Starling Marte, Jose Abreu, Max Scherzer, Joey Gallo, Freddie Freeman. I thought this Freddie Freeman was damaged at first, but it's actually because it's like embossed. I don't know if you can see that there. But that's pretty cool. I've never really seen that. That's a gold proof. Those are not numbered. There's Ahmed Rosario, triple jersey. A couple pinstripes in there for the Mets. Robert S. And we have for the Phillies, 73 out of 125, Enyel De Los Santos. Rookie signatures. Phillies, that is Terry. Pack 3 from box 1 in break number 3. We got Aaron Judge, Aaron Nola, David Ortiz, Joe DiMaggio, Whit Merrifield, Chris Sale, Starling Marte, and Noah Syndergaard. Next one, Padres edition of Francisco Mejia. I always see these cards, it looks like a face in there, like a robot. Padres, that is Todd. And we have another Eniel De Los Santos autograph. This one's 6 of 75. Phillies with another hit. That's Terry. Next, we got Rhys Hoskins, Altuve, Mike Trout, Juan Soto, Strasburg, Eddie Rosario, Charlie Blackmon, AJ Pollock. Wow. Another Mejia, Padres. Not great collation in this box. Todd with the Padres. And new one here, at least. 9 out of 147. Kind of a weird number there. That's Daniel Ponce de Leon. That's Cardinals. That's Paul with the Cardinals. All right. Box number 2. Good luck. Ooh, a couple really fat cards in that pack. Open that one up last. Alright, good luck. This is break 3. Sorry, we're a little behind on our schedule, but I'll catch up. Break 4 is coming up next. Forgot how many kind of base are in this. Alright, Merrifield, Stanton, Cal Ripken, Ohtani. There's Conforto, Joey Gallo, Bumgarner, and Verlander. For the Padres, not for the Padres, for the Pirates, I was used to that Francisco Mejia. This is Pirates, Kevin Newman. Terry with the Pirates, those are not numbered. And we have a Caleb Ferguson for the Dodgers, 46 of 99. Los Angeles Dodgers goes to Martin. Next pack. There's Mookie Betts, Anthony Rendon, Mike Trout, Ron Campanella, Matt Olson, Charlie Blackmon, Rafael Devers, Matt Chapman, Gleyber Torres, 13 of 25, sweet feet. For the Yankees, nice piece of the cleat in there, going out to Stephen K. Nice. And we have a Jake Cave. Rookie leather signatures 1/10 for the Twins. Nice gold ink there. Minnesota. Don't think I've called Minnesota yet. That's Michael with the Twins. Nice. Alright, only 2 packs to go. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully we get some hitless teams here. There's Lindor. There's Goldie. Verlander. Javier Baez. Abreu, Carpenter, Hosmer, Chris Bryant, number to 99. 29/99. Chris Bryant, gold. We have for the Twins, 107/199. Max Kepler for the Twins. Michael with the Twins. Wow, this is a very nice one here for the White Sox. 46/99. That's Eloy Jimenez. Nice hit for the White Sox there. That's going out to Robert C. Nice Eloy Jimenez. All right. Next one. Last pack. Good luck. This one has 2 really fat cards in here, so I don't know what we got, but we'll see, I guess. Maybe 2 cleat cards. There's Machado, Miguel Cabrera, Vlad Guerrero. There's 9/10, Justin Verlander. Kevin with the Astros. There's Trout, Simmons, Mookie Betts, Trevor Story. The final 2 hits. Wow, look at this. 51/99, Gil Hodges. Look at that old leather in there. Flashing the leather. Brooklyn Dodgers, of course, goes to the LA Dodgers. That's Martin. Game used. Game used, number to 99, Gil Hodges. Cool card there. And the final hit is going out to the Orioles. That's Cedric Mullins. Piece of the bat and a nice 3-color patch on the right side. 15/25. Baltimore Orioles, that's Robert with the O's. So there you go. Thanks everybody for getting in. That was Panini Leather and Lumber 2-box break number 3. Check out our website, jaspyscasebreaks.com. Break 4 coming up next.